Take a look at our machine. It's really all real stuff. Look at this place on the head. They tend to have very narrow head. We widened it all. I also told you at the time. You see, 35 centimeters is a widened machine head. It has better stability this way. Then the column displays. It's all weighted with this thickened column. The column is 12 centimeters here. It's a real machine. The cost is also high. Then rotate the shaft. We use dual motors for the rotating shaft. Just one motor here. There's a motor here. Many people use a motor directly to rotate the shaft. We all use dual motors. This guarantees the stability and effect of this engraving. Then the choke is here. We all use 4 jaw chokes. Usually they come standard with a 3 jaw choke. In many places, the cost is indeed real investment. But we are really very attentive to quality. Then I'll show you the cabinet. And the thickness of this tower face, I'll measure it for you. The thickness of our table frame. The thickness of the table frame is 4 cm. It's a 4 cm iron cast. Here, there's button over here. Then these switches. They are all good things to use. Wait a minute and take a look over there. This is the driver on the other side. They all use 21 axes. Of course, the machine has not been cleaned yet. It will be wiped clean before delivery. There is no such cleaning yet.